Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. This meditation is called Little You. Imagine standing beside a little you, a young and bright-eyed version of yourself. Imagine that little you takes a hold of your hand and you begin to lead him or her on a walk. Imagine where you would be walking. Little you notices someone doing something kind. Imagine what you both see of somebody doing something kind. Little you starts a conversation with you. As little you asks questions, imagine your answer to these questions in your mind. Why do people do kind things? Explain to little you your answer. Why do people do kind things? Little you then asks, why do people do unkind things? Imagine what you might answer now. Little you then says, when I grow up to be you, will I be kind or unkind? Will we make mistakes sometimes in kindness? Why will we make mistakes being kind or not being kind? What can we do to be even more kind? Being kind makes people happy, right? We can make somebody's day better by being kind, right? Being kind makes the world a better place, doesn't it? When I grow up to be you, who is the kindest person that we know? How can we be more like that person? I want to be kind like them. No, even kinder. When I grow up to be you, can we be really, really nice and make somebody's day better all the time? Let's make the world better, okay? I'm so excited to be you one day. With that, little you gives you a big hug and runs off to play, laughing, smiling, and being kind. take a moment now to imagine different examples of kindness that you see every day. Imagine what you can do to be even more kind than you are now. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.